Welcome back in a new video. So this is Sadiq Hussain, and currently just a while ago Figma launched a product overview that basically is going to be a new Figma features new update in config 2025. So there are a few amazing features. I'll be discussing with them few of them, not completely, but let's quickly jump into what exactly the new update is. If you go into config.new, so here you will see a few of the Figma updates. So Figma basically launched 5 new features. So one of them is Figma Draw. That Figma Draw is basically again a quick way to enhance your vector editing with brushes and fills, helping you to draw a few text update as well on the path. So personally what I think that this is again like Figma trying to compete Illustrator to bringing the Illustrator user within the Figma again. So now there's no need to go to Illustrator to draw like the illustrations or the text or typography on different path and bring them in as a SVG into the Figma. So now Figma has this on feature, right? The other one is like again grids. So grids is basically Figma is trying to be like a griddy to help the bento grids design system, a new design inspiration that is bringing up. So these are basically again an advanced auto layout, a flexible layouts as well, in which basically it seamlessly adopts the grid system and then making them like more developer friendly as well. The third part is Figma Buzz. So Figma Buzz is again quickly like helping you to create, edit and shape brand assets. So we will be discussing Figma Buzz very shortly. This is, I believe personally, a kind of a Canva where you can insert your like data sheet and then transfer them into your brand asset, like designing Photoshop, post for social media like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever the brand assets you are building, right? So this is again the kind of a stuff that we were doing in Photoshop and Canva now is available locally in Figma directly, right? Another one is Figma Insights. So this is pretty interesting update. Currently I'm not able to use it. I'm not sure why, even though I have a like educational plan, but I'm not sure why I'm not able to use it. But this is a kind of a like the combination of Framer, Webflow and Wix Studio. Now Figma is giving you a plan properly to basically design and publish your fully custom responsive websites all within the Figma, where you can control the editing, designing, CMS and everything with proper ready to use blocks, right? So you have few templates as well, you can use them as we have in Framer, Wix and Webflow as well, right? So these are few updates, and then the last one is Figma Make. So Figma Make is basically a kind of a VoIP coding that we have seen in like the Lovable or a0.dev, right? So you are basically going to prompt, and that Figma is going to push your prompting into code and ideas further. So these are the major 5 Figma quick updates. You can go into config.new and here you can try, right? So let's quickly jump into Figma and see where you can see them currently, right? So if you go into Figma home, and right here you have this option, templates and tools. So you can click here and find like everything right from community right here. So you have few design resources here, right? Then you have plugins, presentations, whiteboarding, and here you have like an option of a website, right? Figma have given a few options for portfolio, e-commerce, wedding, blogs. These are the templates that are already available, and if you click on see more, you can go through all of them, right? And here you have filters as well, so you can like again choose whatever you want to do. So in case if I'm going to like design a SaaS product landing page or website, so you just need to click on this one and then you can use this template. But currently I'm not able to use it. It is asking me to again upgrade. I'm not sure why it's so, but obviously you have an option here and you can preview it directly from here as well, and then it will help you to push your website fully responsive, fully custom and editable version as well. right? And other thing is Figma Buzz. So that is interesting thing. It's kind of a similar thing to like the Canva. If you go directly here and try to design a new like tool here, sorry, design here, or maybe you can click directly Buzz here and it will take you to the design site. So right here it will ask you to when you will click on like this Figma Buzz here quickly, it will ask you what do you want to design basically. So you see we have Instagram post, we have Facebook post, we have X post, we have Google Docs rectangle ad, and here we have few examples as well. Again kind of a similar to Canva or Adobe Express, right? Post on my wall, there are already few platforms are available. If you click on socials, you have few options here for socials. If you want to create ads, you can get an inspirations here, and here you have few example as well. Same goes for prints, like A4 paper or whatever you are going to print, right? And then we have right here inspirations as well, right? For businesses and everything. And if you go into like Buzz, you have like, again, you can change your size from here, custom size. It's totally depends on you. If you click on this one, right, you have again the same options. You have color options right here, and then if it comes when we comes to this toolbar, we have few options here as well. If you just like, you can see the details whatever you want. Here you have again the templates, right? As I discussed, here you have text, right? Again, this is quite similar to Canva, what I am guessing, right? Here you can upload your on SVGs, PNGs, JPGs, SVGs, whatever you want to do. And then you have few shapes here, and right from here you can insert a few icons as well. Icons are from library. You have stickers, you have icon, you can update them, and then there's an edit content. You can just like add your text, and then you can go to edit context as well. But this is basically the bulk create, where you have to attach your like spreadsheet in XLX form, CSV, right? Whatever you want to create, and then you just need to update it, and then it is going to create basically a bulk form of a ad or social media assets, whatever you want to create, right? So this is basically Figma Buzz. And then there is another update. When you will start creating a new design, now Figma asks you what do you want to create. Websites. When you will hover on websites, you will see few quick like wireframes of website as well. Then you have mobile apps, right, and desktops as well. So if I click on website, so it basically gives me a quick websites. Our templates are already built in, right? So I just need to quickly edit them, and then text and everything is editable. So this is basically again giving me a kind of a template, and you have few quite like tooltips here you can see. But this is basically what I was talking about. Again, if I draw a quick frame here, you see this is basically again an option to change or adjust the advanced layout properties. So if I click on this grid, this is a grid beta, so you can see now Figma has added the grid as well. So you can just like adjust them, or maybe you can, if you want to enhance them, you can again have an option to enhance, or maybe you can use them whatever, like how you actually want to use. So here an option, if you click on this, it will remove the auto layout and again will turn them into like the manual dimension. But again, if you click on this one, it will change them into the grid system. You can read these tooltips, and these tooltips are going to help you to understand how actually it is going to work, right? Then right here we have another option, that is draw. As I already talked about, like Figma is basically helping you to like concentrate the user within the Figma, right? Like not going to again Illustrator, Draw Illustrator there. So if I click on this draw, it will change this design pattern into the draw structure, right? So I just need to click outside. Probably I'm not sure why it is lagging, but just quick. So for me it is not like again working. I'm not sure why it's so, but okay, sure, yeah. So it turned out. So now if you see, this is basically the draw. You don't need them, the dev mode. So this is basically again draw. Now you can see like we have few brushes here, again few of like the frame shapes, rectangles, and then few actions as well, and you can see read these tooltips. They are going to help you, but obviously now we have like an option to draw anything right here, and we have few brushes here. So again it comes to the brushes that as quite similar as we have within in Illustrator. So these are the brushes here, and if you just need to select them, you will select them, and then you will be having few properties related to these brushes here as well, right? There's one more thing of a blend mode, and another part was like these quite details as well. So you see like it is rotating. Maybe we have few other updates as well, repeats, right? So now it is repeating it linearly, right? So these are few updates that is available in the draw mode as well. So we are going to explore these further. Obviously you have few tooltips which are basically helping you to understand how these like draw effects while drawing illustrations are going to work, right? So these are quite new updates right from Figma, and the things out here is again, if and yeah, one more thing, if you want to change into again the design mode, you just need to click on this design icon, and it will be changing directly again into the Figma normal design mode, right? So as for now, Figma looks really crazy in building the product, and yet let's see how it goes on further. But I'm hopeful that you can try by your own self, and then you're going to get these amazing features to design more amazing stuff, and let's build the better product for the user-centered design. Till the next video, take care of yourself, and thank you for watching.